These are just some of the knives I sharpen with the block knife sharpener. As you can see, we do very high dollar knives. We will not destroy your edges. This is a patented sharpener that's made by me, Paul Block. Put my last name on the handle along with the website. We do give it a lifetime guarantee for factory imperfections and uneven wearing. These pins are made to adjust, so they'll adjust to any edge you got. What they actually are is two chef steels made to reline a blade, put the original edge back in it. It's a very hard pin. They rock well over 69. I'm not going to give my secret away what it exactly is, but you can shove your blade in there nice and tight, and you tend to bring the back of the knife up. You can do hatchet heads, meat cleavers, stainless steels. These pins have a very high Rockwell over 69, way harder than any factory-made knife. You can take your old Boy Scout hatchets back into, well, come on now, you can grab this paper. It's there. Shaving sharp. Block sharpener. We will sharpen any style blade, quick and easy. Come visit us at theblocksharpener.com. See what else we sharpen.